Hello and welcome to Keepsales. Now in this video we will be looking at the logout and the login feature on the desktop app on Keepsales. Okay, so one thing I would want us to note, anytime we are logging in and logging out of the desktop app, you always need an internet connection. The desktop app can work offline, but then you cannot have access to the desktop app if you are not connected to the internet. Once you have logged in and then you have switched offline, then you do not need the internet any longer. But anytime you want to log out of the desktop app, you will need to switch using the internet again. So to log out, as you can see here, my internet is on. So when you click to log out, it logs out for you. And then when you want to enter your username to log back in, you are able to log in as well with an internet connection. So that is one thing we have to really take note of. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. There are more of these amazing videos available for you, so do well to check them all out. I'll see you again in our next video. Have a wonderful time and bye bye.